Mama Bing, what's one thing people always assume about you that is not true at all?
Na lagi akong galit.
Pero super gets ko yung energy niya kasi kami din, people always think na, ba't ka galit? Pero kasi our voices are so loud.
Oo, yeah. Medyo yung presence namin may arrive, ganyan.
Lalo na ako, I'm partially deaf.
Ah.
So, malakas talaga. Kaya, pag hindi sila sanay, parang,
Yan na-intimidate, no?
oo, yabang naman itong babae. Sino ba yan? Wala lang, may Harvard degree lang naman.
How was it like being abroad, studying there?
How old were you then?
33.
33, you were in Harvard.
I never did housework there. You do housework or you pay somebody. So, I paid somebody.
So, 33, you lived alone?
Yeah, an
And
apartment.
studied.
Yeah.
Wow.
Peabody Terrace in the Kennedy School of Government, Harvard, by the River Cha.
And how was your dynamic with the other people there? Were some people, meron bang moment na you felt like you're being
Discriminated.
underestimated? Yeah? Or
So I went there as a mature woman, right? Who had power. Diba? I was mayor before. Diba?
You were mayor before you were 33?
I was mayor at 27.
What?
That's
Oh my
insane.
God.
Hermie Aquino and Paul Aquino asked me, because Hermie was married to a cousin, Vicky Guanzon, asked me to lead the campaign for Cory Aquino in Negros because we had a warlord. We had a resident warlord. At that time, during the Marcos time, there were 7 warlords. One of them lived in my city.
Grabe, pwede gawing series yung buhay mo eh.
Oh, and he was Armin Gustilo, Armando, a lawyer, congressman, and was kababata ng nanay ko. Politically, hindi naman sila at odds noon na magkaibang partido, pero they disagreed on some points. But itong Cory versus Ferdinand Marcos, talagang doon na naghiwalayan ng talagang laban kami. So, it was not only difficult, it was dangerous. Diba?
Hindi, wait, a question ako, Mama Bing. When you were entering your role as a mayor, lagi kasing sinasabi, women hindi masyadong favorable to have leadership positions because emotional or masyadong fragile minsan. How do you
Those are
navigate?
the myths, di ba? Those are the myths and biases of gender inequality.
But
Diba?
there's truth to it too.
Sometimes, maybe it's your upbringing if you're not used to it. But me, I was really raised.
Kasi nga, iba ka
born,
talaga eh. Yeah, yeah.
I was born and raised.
Yeah.
Oo,
As in, you
for
are an exception
politics.
eh.